Hey, what's up guys? Tony at Tucker Speed here again. Got another product review video here for you talking about rear shocks. The RWD RS-1 rear shock for Harley Davidson motorcycles. It's available for most of the platforms, Touring, Softail, Dyna, Sportster, and FXR. Comes in a bunch of different lanes depending on the models. Jump on our website or RWD's and check all that out. But to tell you a little bit about this shock was designed by RWD and actually manufactured by Walker Evans Racing. Both those names, RWD and Walker Evans, have a rich history in off-road racing. You've probably heard of them if you've not lived under a rock in the last 20 years or so. So yeah, two companies that are, pretty deep in racing and performance suspension. And they've brought a shock that works really, really well to the V-twin market. To kind of give you a little rundown on the shock here, full billet design in the piggyback. Eibach actually is making the springs for them. The shock has high and low speed compression adjusters, which is, I think, kind of uncommon in the V-twin world if you're looking at some of the other brands. The high-low thing is really common in an off-road shock. So, just meaning that you can dial in how that thing compresses, whether you're rolling through a gutter, into a parking lot, or how it's handling, when you hit like a bridge embankment and you have that, you're doing 75 or 80 and you have those, and how it absorbs that stuff. So, really nice way to fine-tune it. Obviously, it has preload adjuster to correctly set the sag up when you install them. So yeah, I've actually installed a handful of these myself in the shop on customers' bikes, personal bikes, and been very happy with the fit and finish and also the ride quality. And for the price, this is one of the most reasonably priced shocks in the market right now compared to some of the brands. So, a really great option if you're shopping for a shock. Yeah, so to summarize it all up, really great shock. Has a lifetime warranty, so they're standing behind their product. If you want to order a set, just keep in mind we order these per order, so they're kind of custom built. We send the order to RWD and they piece it together with specific shock bodies, the spring load that you request, and so there's a little bit of a lead time, so keep that in mind. They're usually really quick in getting them out, but there is a little bit of a lead time when we order them. So great option, the RWD RS-1 shock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep all this content coming your way. We'll have a bunch more coming. Thanks.